Hello everyone, welcome to our next topic. In this topic, we will see filing PTC, means Professional Tax Enrollment Certificate. Under that, we will cover PTC return and filing. So for the PTC return, we have to visit the website mahagst.gov.in. We are doing for Maharashtra, so this is a Maharashtra portal. If you are doing for another city, you have to search according to your city for the PTC payment. We are doing for Maharashtra, so we are the Maharashtra professional tax portal will be mahagst.gov.in. Under that, you have to click on e-payment tab. In e-payment tab, e-taxation return. Once you click on e-taxation return, new page will be open. Under that, you have to select TIN number. You have to enter your TIN, then capture entry, then click on next. Once you click on next, you will get a new page open, will be that payment detail page. Under that, in payment detail page, you have to enter your act, which act you want to payment, PTC, PTRC, or any other act. From the drop down, you have to select the act. Then form ID will become automatic. Then select the year. Period will also come automatically. Enter the amount. Maximum PTC amount is 2,500 per director. Means minimum. So we are entering 2,500. After enter the amount, you have to enter your location, enter mobile number, then click on proceed for payment. Once you click on the proceed for payment, that new page will be open. Accept the term and condition for refund. Then select the gateway of payment, which gateway of payment you will use, SBI ePay or gas, according to you. Select the gateway of payment, then click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, that new page will be open. See, everything is fine. The name of the director, company, amount of the tax. If everything is fine, then click on make payment. Once you click on the make payment, this page will be open. Under that, you have to select the payment mode. You want to do the payment by internet banking, payment across bank account, or payment gateway. Whatever payment mode you will want to select that payment mode. Then select the bank. Enter your mobile number, captcha. Then click on the agree of the term and condition. Then proceed for payment. Once you click on the proceed for payment, this page dialog box will be open. You have to save your GRN number. You have to save this number. Then click on OK. Then you will do the payment, enter the payment details and do the payment. Once you done the payment, that payment will be filed PTC. Payment is done. Its return filing is done. So I hope you have understand how to file PTC. Do you have any question regarding that, or you want to reach us? Simply email us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much for watching the video.